To perform a manual regen from the cab or open station of the tractor, first things that you're going to want to check is to make sure that your tractor is up to temperature. This will make sure that the exhaust temp is high enough to perform the regeneration. Next, you will take and apply your parking brake. So make sure that the parking brake is on. Next thing you will do is come over to your DPF regeneration switch, and here is cancel, here is to turn it on. What you're going to do is hold this down, and after about 2 seconds your tractor should automatically idle up, and this light will come on. At this moment, your tractor is in the manual regen and will automatically run through the different stages to the regeneration process. So, if done properly, your tractor will automatically rev up to either 1500 RPMs for a little bit and then up to 2700 RPMs, and this light will come on indicating that it is in DPF regeneration mode. Now to go ahead and cancel the regen process, you can either push down on the cancel button right here. Keep in mind it may be here or it may be up on the steering column depending on the model, or it could be in the pillar. But once you have that located, you can either push that down to stop the regeneration, or you can push in your brake pedal or clutch. And then once it drops back down to idle, down at 900 RPMs, you are no longer in the regeneration process.